Post-COVID-19 impacts and the rapid world socio-economic changes lead to the global challenges in this BANI world. Individuals have to adjust to these challenges so as to maintain their mental health and well-being. As a part of the world-class national university, the Faculty of Psychology, Chulalongkorn University, draw a task force from our international collaborations, particularly our great friend, Tohoku University, Japan, in hosting and upcoming the second Thailand International Conference on Psychology or TICP 2023 on the topic of Psychology for Health and Well-being in the BANI world.
The conference is aimed at enhancing mental health and well-being in the BANI world. Various perspectives will be offered, highlighted by the use of growth mindset as delivered in the keynote speech by Professor Chiu Chi-Kyu, Dean of Social Science, Chinese University of Hong Kong. Two panel discussions will be offered to showcase how well-being can be enhanced in work, health, and personal domains. The other will outline therapeutic challenges and solutions. Both the public and professionals will benefit from the conference to be held on August 4, 2023.
5 pre-conference workshops will be offered by our own members and world-class psychologists from the US and the UK. These workshops should enhance professionals' research and clinical skills. An SEM workshop should help enhance scholastic research endeavors. Hand-on workshops on acceptance and commitment therapy, both for fundamental and for health promotion. Compassion-focused therapy for those who are dealing with psychosis. And dialectical behavior therapy for emotional dysregulation. These workshops should provide practitioners with more alternatives to support their clients. Attendants can choose to register in any workshop of their interest.
I believe that our international conference, TICP 2023, will help enhance both the public and the professionals to better mental health and well-being, to create sustainability within the BANI world. Looking forward to welcoming you to Bangkok in August.